Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Odyssey AI. In order to do so, here we are at experience.odyssey.ml, and Odyssey is AI video that's instant and interactive. We're going to take a look at it here. You could see for yourself all of the other creations that other people have made, and there is some pretty neat stuff here. Just scroll down, you can see all of the cool ideas other people have created. So let's go ahead and try something for ourselves. Up here at the top right hand corner, you can see where it says history and create. So if we click on history, you're going to see all of the other examples of things that we have created previously. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. We're going to hit on create, and let's try something out here. We'll have a little bit of fun with it. How about we have a wizard walking through a dark forest. We'll hit start streaming. And here we go. We've got our wizard walking through a dark forest. Pretty cool looking wizard. Kind of looking like a good old classic Merlin there. Cool looking staff he's got. We've got our cool dark forest that he's in. Looks very neat. So we're going to get different prompts here. Let's go ahead and click light the staff. It's some weirdness there. This still is in early demo status, so still playing around with it. Now's a good time to come and check it out if you want to get in on the ground level of this innovative software. What we're looking at here is interactive, instantaneous video generation. And at the ground level, the team there, they're working to make things better. But for the time being, what we have here is really quite amazing. And you can see the potential of something like this. Let's go ahead and click cast a spell. There you go. That's cool. Yeah. I could see the potential for something like this for like some cool, wacky music videos or something like that. There's some neat stuff here. We got some kind of audio going on in the background to accompany it as well. But he looks like he's having a lot of fun casting spells there. And this makes for good entertainment. Let's try throwing something a little bit into it. Let's say a dragon flies by. See if we can get a dragon here to fly by. There he goes. I think that's his dragon buddy that he called to him. I have found that if you throw too much at it, then it can get stuck. So it's not a bad idea to just let it breathe a bit. Let's have our dragon breathe some fire. Oh, I missed it. But this is pretty cool though. Our dragon and wizard buddy here. Let's try something. I'm just curious. What happens if we type in 8K? I wonder if specifying the resolution has any influence on the output at all. Let's try hyper realistic. Just kind of curious how it responds to prompts like this, stuff that you might use if you were doing image or video generation, you want to improve the quality. Sometimes you might use prompts like that. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Yeah, there's just a lot of real fun visuals here. And this is something that you can try out too. It's still in the early stage, and something that it's a bit temperamental, but you can really come up with a lot of fun visuals. And just the fact that everything is instantaneous in the moment is very exciting. And you can imagine what might come from something like this moving forward. The ability to shape an interactive environment in real time, there's some really amazing implications there, just as far as gaming experiences, kind of a choose your own adventure type thing. But there's other things that this could be good for as well. Just the ability to be in an infinite space of potential that you can shape with your words, with your thoughts. That is really quite powerful. So if you're interested, head on over to experience.odyssey.ml and you can start to play with Odyssey as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Check out our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation, and we'd love to have you show us what you're working on. We got different projects on the go there, and we'd love to get your feedback. And if you are interested, check out our WAP course on AI music video creation. If you want to create your own music video masterpieces for $30, you could take our WAP course and we will take you through our process to show you how you can get started. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, then you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.